Welcome to video number 9. In this specific video, I am going to show you how to take all the 5 different content curation strategies and take them to the next level by tripling or even quadrupling your traffic in combination with this strategy with those 5 strategies. So let's get started. So this strategy is actually very easy to implement. It just takes about 3 steps. Now, as you saw with 2 of the strategies out of the 5, I utilize Storify, and the reason being is because Storify was created specifically for content curation, but not only that, it has what we call a notify feature, and this specific feature is super powerful. What it does is if you use the content curation strategies that I showed you correctly and embed it onto Storify, for example, and let's say that you have created a Storify and you've plopped in about 10 different YouTube videos, you've inserted several different Twitter comments and things like that. If you do the content curation correctly and you actually respond in a professional manner, but also as an expert, then what Storify allows you to do is it allows you to notify the people that you grab their content, grab their Twitter comments, and things like that, and notify them and say, hey, I talked about you in my story, so share this with your friends. So another way of doing this is to find Twitter tweets or even people who are super active and get them into your story. Because what you're doing is you're saying, hey, your comment was very important, or your YouTube video was very important, to the point that I have talked about you in my story. Now, when I say you need to do your content curation correctly, and don't just plagiarize, don't just copy their content, add some value to it, because otherwise you're just going to be seen as a spammer. And you need to make sure that you have add some value, because the people that you're notifying will be like, wow, okay, this person has added some value, my comment or my content has more value because of this article. And if you can do that, then you can utilize this powerful strategy. Now, Storify doesn't really necessarily advertise this feature up front, so you do have to read their getting started manual, and it shows you exactly how it works. You have to publicize your Storify article first, and then from that point on, you can actually click on the notify feature. Now, this is step number 1. Once you have done this, another thing you can do is Storify will actually give you some code to embed your Storify on your website. Now, I recommend taking that to the next level by copying that embed code over to other sites like Blogger or Tumblr or other popular social networking sites, not just your website. And then after that, step number 3, I recommend that you go to Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com, and type in Tribe Pro. And what this is it's a social signal sharing website that allows tons and tons of users to basically share your content. And what this will do is it'll give you lots and lots of social backlinks back to your Storify page. And Tumblr, you can do this on Tumblr as well to get you ranked high in Google. Now, I would do this on a consistent basis so that you look more natural, and I would say maybe once every month go to Fiverr and get a Tribe Pro gig, which is about $5, and as you can see, you can get a bunch of people sharing your content. But because it's done on a consistent basis, it looks more natural rather than, getting a huge spike of traffic at one time and that's it, because otherwise that does not look natural. So if you utilize this 3-step process, then you can actually increase your traffic phenomenally. So I hope you enjoyed this video course and want to say congratulations on reaching the end of this video course. Go ahead, take what you've learned, and don't forget to put it into action.